Hello, my name is Dr. Bowling and I'm the Chief Operations Officer for Hampton City Schools, and I'd like to take this opportunity to discuss with you some of our protocols for enhanced cleaning we have at our school division this year. Starting here at the table, you can see that we have the latest and greatest in cleaning equipment, and these are electrostatic guns, and what they do is that they charge cleaner as it comes out and it goes into the air, and as it floats through the air it will stick to any surface and it will disinfect 360 degrees, meaning it will stick under the tables, on top of the tables, to the round legs, and it will completely disinfect all surfaces, walls and ceilings. So these are wonderful. We have approximately 50 of these in the division with 20 of them on the way in, so we'll have 70 of those total in our schools. So that will be enough to supply several at each of our schools, and these can clean and disinfect large areas very quickly. For larger areas in our school division, such as gymnasiums and auditoriums, cafeterias, we have our TP4 machine here, and these will do essentially the same thing. This is a broadcast gun. This will shoot large areas of mist across those areas. It will disinfect fabrics, rugs, hard surfaces, soft surfaces. So again, we have the latest and greatest in disinfecting equipment. Additionally, we're using hospital-grade disinfectants as well. So we're ensuring that everything that we spray in our buildings will kill viruses, bacteria, fungus, and mold that's there. In addition, these are the supplies that our custodians are using to ensure proper PPEs and precautions are being taken throughout the divisions. Again, we have disposable wipes that are being used, so we're not cross-contaminating. We're cleaning surfaces, and then once it's done, we ball it up and we throw it away properly. We also have some wonderful chemicals that we're using, again, to reiterate, hospital-grade disinfectants. But again, this is an all-natural botanical cleaner that we're using in our classroom. It is food-grade safe, so it's easy to spray on. Very limited PPEs. A child could eat, set their sandwich down on the surface, pick it up and eat the sandwich with no contamination from this chemical that we have. Also, we have our face shields, our eyeglass protection. Of course, we have our gloves that we're not only providing for our custodians, but also as they're cleaning, they will have these and they'll have those around. Of course, face mask, and that pretty much concludes that. Okay, here we have a health check poster, and these are posted within every classroom, and the teachers will begin their classes by taking a look at this and discussing the various symptoms associated with COVID to make sure everyone is healthy in that class. We're also focused considerably on hygiene, personal hygiene. We always want to do hand washing when we can, but when we can't, we have strategically placed hand sanitizing stations throughout the school, so if you can't wash your hands, you can easily come over and get some hand sanitizer and make sure that your hands are nice and clean. In addition, when we start to look at what is happening inside of our classrooms, we also have on each door for our teachers to know the cleaning schedule about when the last time this room was thoroughly cleaned and disinfected, and is signed and dated by the employee. In Hampton City Schools, we're very focused on providing the very best PPEs, not only for our faculty members, but of course for our students as well. So if you take a look here at the table, you can see some of the items that we have and we've provided for our students. Inside every classroom, we've sourced over 2,000 one-gallon containers of hand sanitizer, so every classroom in Hampton City Schools will have hand sanitizer available for the students. In addition, we have provided tubs of disinfectant wipes. There are 500 wipes in this tub alone, and then we have multiple refills for every classroom as well. For our teachers, we have provided them with face shields that they can wear, and in addition to the face shields, we've also given them customized masks that they can wear and teach through, so they all have those. For our students, we're very excited to share with you size-appropriate masks for our students. We happen to be at an elementary school at Phoenix here, and this one is a very small little mask, but it's meant for a second grader that you can see here, but you can also see the mascot and the colors, so we try to make it attractive for the students so that they would want to wear the mask. In addition, we have also have over here our air purification system that you can see here. This is one of the latest and greatest HEPA filtration systems that's on the market today. These are in every single classroom in Hampton City schools and office space and clinics. All have this, and they can run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, helping to filter out all of the particles in the air. And they're also ready to take out viruses as well. So it's a great system. In addition, we turned our attention to the classroom. And as you can see here, we've taken our classroom and we've spread our tables out. Each student has their own self-contained little area that you can see here to work from. They have their individual desk shields, of course, and they have their materials. So we've taken great efforts to make sure that we're providing the safest environment possible, not only for our faculty, but our students as well. Also, we're making sure that we're taking great care in the cleaning of our classrooms in the evening. We have what we call enhanced cleaning protocols that are taking place, and extensive retraining of our custodial staff has taken place.